Okay, first one.
Oh no!
Yep, those are
Pizza
toilet
Hut.
hiccups, all right. We've got just the thing.
Boy.
Drink some of this. Gets rid of them every time. Thank you, Spot. Now, if you'll excuse us.